Hello everyone, welcome to a new video where I'll be teaching you how to set up your own zombie apocalypse server to play with friends or for whatever you want. To do this we'll be using ATERNOS. I recommend creating an account on ATERNOS.org. This isn't a sponsorship, but by creating an account you'll have access to free servers that can run 24/7 as long as someone is connected. Once we've created an account, we'll navigate to the software section and click on change. In the software section we're going to select ebook, which is a software that allows us to add plugins. We'll choose version 1.21, which is the latest version. Once we have that set up, we'll head over to the options. First of all, if we want players to be able to play in premium or non-premium mode, we need to enable Crackit. Additionally, if we want a hard difficulty, we'll select hard. If we want to enable a whitelist and so on. If we want to allow command blocks, it's important that we activate the command block option. Next, we'll navigate to the plugins section and search for zombie from there. When we search for zombie, we'll see the zombie apocalypse plugin. As you can see, there are quite a few options. I'm going to choose this one so you can get a sense of how it works. We'll download it, and now as you'll see, if I go to files and then navigate to the plugins folder, I already have the zombie apocalypse.jar installed. Obviously in this same section, instead of using the spigot paper software, we could go here to the software, choose fabric or forge, and literally put a custom zombie apocalypse in this plugins or data packs folder. This way you don't have to download it separately. You can use the zombie apocalypse 8 zombie types, download it, and then basically once it's downloaded you just need to hit start. It's important to understand that each plugin works in its own way, and that's why they provide this link here, so that we can understand how it functions. For example, here it says that this plugin is inspired by a recent Dream video. There's a little introduction explaining that there are 8 different types of zombies, and basically they tell us that to start the apocalypse we have to use the command /apocalypse start. This is important because if you don't use these commands, the apocalypse won't start. So basically you click start. A few important things. We're on version 1.21, so when we go to enter this world, we need to be on 1.21 within Java. Now how can we join the server? Alright, so this is the IP address that we'll need to copy. Once our version of Minecraft is launched, which shouldn't take too long, we go to multiplayer, add a server, and enter the IP address exactly as shown here. Okay, let's copy the command for apocalypse, start again. As you can see, we can configure the duration here, we can end the apocalypse, we can reload the apocalypse, we can do a whole bunch of things. Now let's wait for the server to start up. Great, looks like the server has started, so basically all we need to do is join the server. Let's open up the chat and see if it will let me enter commands. For example, let's see if I can start the apocalypse. It's telling me I don't have permission for that. To give myself permission, we need to go to the console and type /op. In the same /op command, we'll enter my username. My username is Eluserados, so I'll type that in. Now I should have access to commands. The chat shows that I'm an operator, and I can use /op apocalypse start. As you can see, the zombie apocalypse has now begun. It's that simple. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. See you in future videos. Have fun surviving the apocalypse. Bye bye.